Wow, there comes my brother. I don't know the name, but he spoke. Yaakov 256 spoke about Christianity being a faith, while Islam is just a religion formed by pagans. First of all, let me first answer you in English, because the problem, you crammed that Muslims are illiterates. My Q, we are the founders, the initiators, the developers, and in fact, the champions of education. And two, not knowing English does not necessarily mean that you're not educated. The Chinese, the Japanese, the Russians, all civilized countries, they don't know English, but today they are the best in automotives, they are the best in automobiles, they are the best in technology, and they learn in their own languages. Unless Africa, which was colonized, that doesn't know that a foreign language, that vernacular is speaking a foreign language. So this, I'm speaking English and it's vernacular. Vernacular means speaking a foreign language. So Christianity is not a faith. Christianity is an organization formed by people, and is a Christendom formed with over 1,207 sects amongst them. And Islam is not made by pagans. Islam is just a total submission to the will of Allah, and whosoever doesn't submit to the will of God he becomes a pagan. You see, Jesus talked about it in John 5:30. He said, I don't do according to my own accord. As I hear is how I do, and I don't do is how I do, and I do according to thy will who sent me. And even in the Lord's Prayer, Jesus said, you pray like this, that our Father in heaven, hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come, thy will shall be done on earth as it's done on earth, as it's done in heaven. Meaning that Islam is the submission to the will of God. And Jesus told you to pray so that the will of God is done on heaven. So that is it. So I'm saying this, and to you I'm saying that Islam is the will of God, and whosoever is not doing as per the will of God is not a Muslim. Meaning, for example, God said in the 10 Commandments that you shall worship one God. Christians have 3 gods: Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit. Thou shalt not put up any pictures or put up anything depicting God. You should not bow to them, neither will you worship them. Today you have pictures of Jesus, pictures of Mary, pictures of others. All those show that you're not as per the will of God states. Muganda bafagambye nti obukristaayo abakristaayo is a faith nzikiriza ekitaliyo, ate obusiraamu diini etandikibwawo abakafiiri. Obusiraamu kyeki? Obusiraamu kwe kukola nga Katonda kyagamba, ate obukafiiri kwe kuwakanya ekyo Katonda kyagamba. Kyentegeeza kyeki? Nti Yesu Kristo mu Yokaana 5:30 yagamba nti sikola kyenjagala, wabula nkola ng'oli eyantuma kyayagala. Era n'agamba ne mu Matayo 6:9 mu ssala ya kitaffe nti kitaffe ali mu ggulu, erinnya litukuzibwe, Katonda by'oyagala bikolebwe ku nsi nga ebikolebwa mu ggulu. Katonda yatugamba mu mateeka 10 tosinzanga Katonda omu. Abakristaayo musinza bakatonda basatu, obuperesona obusatu, oba Paatiri, Mwana ne Mwoyo. Katonda agamba teweekoleranga kifaananyi kyole, mulina ebifaananyi bya Bikira Mariya, ekifaananyi kya Yesu Kristo, mulina ebifaananyi bya Yuda Taddeewo n'eby'abatuukirivu ab'enjawulo. Katonda yabigaana. Katonda yagaana okunywa omwenge. Mwagusembeza ku mmeeza entukuvu ne muguyita enviinyo, kubanga enviinyo mu kusembera, enviinyo kya Lulatini, vayini kya Lufalansa, wayini kya Luzungu, waragi ky'Oluganda. Katonda yagaana okulya embizzi, mugirya. Katonda yagaana okumuyimbira mu Amosi 5:23, mumuyimbira. yagati nzijaako oluyogaano lw'ennyimba zo kuba siwulire nga nnanga zo nga bwe zikubibwa obulungi mumuyimbira. Katonda yagaana okugatta abakazi n'abasajja mu kkanisa mubagatta bingi mmwe bakaafiiri ate obusiraamu y'eddiini